Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 7.1 of Chapter 7, Integrals, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 7.1 opens the study of integrals with 22 questions, 5 antiderivatives found purely by inspection, 15 integrals of algebraic and trigonometric combinations, and 2 multiple-choice checks. Here they are. Question 1, and with it we enter Part 2, Integrals. An antiderivative of sine 2x found by inspection. Ask, whose derivative is sine 2x? The derivative of cosine 2x is minus 2 sine 2x, so dividing by minus 2 fixes the mismatch. Question 2, cosine 3x this time. Sine of 3x differentiates to 3 cosine 3x, so divide by 3. Adjust the coefficient. Question 3, the exponential with doubled exponent. The chain rule factor 2 must be divided away. Half of e to the 2x differentiates back exactly. Question 4, a squared linear expression. Raise the power by 1, divide by the new power, and by the inner slope a. The cube of a x plus b differentiates to 3a times the square, so divide by 3a. Question 5, a difference of the two patterns we have just seen. Handle each term with its own coefficient fix. Sine 2x integrates to minus half cosine 2x, and 4e to the 3x to 4/3 e to the 3x. Question 6. From here the constant of integration c joins every answer. Term by term integration. 4/3 e to the 3x from the exponential, x from the constant plus c. Question 7. Multiply out before integrating. The product collapses to a simple polynomial. Distribute x squared minus 1, then integrate. Question 8. A general quadratic with constant coefficients. The power rule 3 times. Each power steps up by 1 and divides by the new exponent. Question 9. A power and an exponential. E to the x is its own integral. 2/3 x cubed plus e to the x plus c. Question 10. A squared difference of root x and its reciprocal. Expand the square first. The cross term is constant. Expanding gives x minus 2 plus 1 over x. Integrate term by term. The reciprocal gives the logarithm. Question 11. Divide through by x squared before integrating. 3 easy terms appear. Split the fraction, x plus 5 minus 4x to the minus 2. Integrate, the last term gives plus 4 over x. Question 12. Divide by root x, fractional powers appear. Each power drops by 1/2. Rewrite with fractional exponents. Integrate each, 2/7 times 2 times 8. Question 13. The numerator factors perfectly over x minus 1. Group the numerator in pairs. Factor x squared times x minus 1 plus 1 times x minus 1. The quotient is x squared plus 1. Integrate the clean quadratic. Question 14. 1 minus x times root x. Distribute the root. The product is x to the half minus x to the 3/2. Integrate both fractional powers. Question 15. Root x times a quadratic. Distribute again, 3 fractional powers. Multiply through by x to the half. Integrate term by term. Question 16. Powers, cosine, exponential, one of each. Standard antiderivatives throughout. X squared minus 3 sine x plus e to the x. Question 17. a close cousin of the previous one. Sine integrates to minus cosine, so the sign flips to plus. 2/3 x cubed plus 3 cosine x plus 10/3 x to the 3 halves. Question 18. Secant distributed over secant plus tangent. Both resulting terms are standard derivative facts read backwards. Expand. Secant squared plus secant tangent, which integrate to tangent and secant. Question 19. A ratio of the two squared reciprocals. It is simply tangent squared, and tangent squared is secant squared minus 1. Convert to sines and cosines. The ratio is tangent squared, rewritten via the identity. Integrate tangent minus x. Question 20. Split the fraction over cosine squared. 2 secant family pieces appear. The split gives 2 secant squared minus 3 tangent secant. Integrate both standard forms. Question 21. Multiple choice. Root x plus its reciprocal. 2 power rule applications decide it. X to the half integrates to 2/3 x to the 3 halves. X to the minus half integrates to 2 root x. Option C. Question 22, the last one, multiple choice. An antiderivative pinned down by the condition f of 2 equals 0. Integrate, then solve for the constant. Integrate the derivative. X to the 4th plus x to the minus 3 plus c. Impose f of 2 equals 0. 16 plus 1/8 plus c is 0, so c is minus 129 over 8. Option A. That completes all 22 questions of exercise 7.1. In the next video, we will take up exercise 7.2 on integration by substitution. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.